Distractions while driving can cause unintentional movement out of your lane, which could be a serious hazard. As part of the driver assistance package, Active Lane Keeping Assist can let you know when you've started drifting out of your lane and even help guide you back into your lane, which helps prevent dangerous driving situations. To engage Active Lane Keeping Assist while driving, press the button on the panel to the left of your steering wheel. If the vehicle sensors detect you're crossing broken lane markings, the steering wheel will vibrate to alert you. If you cross a solid lane marking, or if oncoming traffic is detected across a broken line, the steering wheel will vibrate and the system will automatically brake on one side to bring you back into the correct lane. With Active Lane Keeping Assist, your Mercedes-Benz can help you stay in your lane, making your road trips just that much safer.